I hope it's okay. I'm talking sitting now because if you want me to stand up, I can stand up also. First of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Viswas for initiating this workshop, and also Dr. Sajid and all the faculties involved in this workshop, because like Dr. Sajid mentioned, I've always been very vocal about having academic activities. Not only academic activities, since you must have joined, must have seen a lot of extracurricular activities has also been going on. So, as a management, our focus has been to involve more and more students in academic activities and other activities also, so that the campus is a happening place, and you get to interact with each other also, and the great faculties which we have here. So I hope you all had a very interactive and a very productive session. These days I had been following on the groups, and though I would have loved to hear more from the students, but I think you all said very briefly it was very good. So I hope it was good. And also, since PG batch, this is our first PG batch, and I do understand there have been a lot of challenges. There'll be a lot of challenges. The first batch has to go through many challenges, and we are trying our best. I think we had few meetings also with you all. Also, yesterday we had a meeting with your representatives from different departments. And like always, I would like to assure you of all the things. I think you guys had some great suggestions about, I think, groundwork, which has to be done, which is lacking, the things which are lacking. And I take it as a very good opportunity to have the honest feedback from all of you. So it will help us improve. It will help us make you a better, what do you say, PGTs and trainers and everything, so that we provide you a better platform to whatever way we can, because you're here to learn. You're here to utilize our facilities and to make it a better place by your service, by your trainings, and by your contribution to the college. Moving on, for the future, we were trying to organize such sessions more. I think I heard few of you which said that few departments are not conducting many seminars and activities which should be done. And I would like to assure you that we'll speak to those departments, and we will make sure that these things are happening time and again. And like other departments, certain departments do not lag behind because these things are important. And also certain teaching, I think, issues in terms of guides and teachings and everything. So we are involving more and more faculties just so that you guys take the better advantage of everything what we have. So as Ghazali Saab would have taken the initiative also of involving more faculties, I think more professors and associate professor would join us very soon in terms of teaching you all. And also regarding the hospital facilities, which has to be modified or which has to be upgraded, so that a better patient care, better platform you guys can get. So we're doing that also. And also we'll be speaking to all of you regularly to make whatever improvements what we can. So kindly utilize all these things which you are a very privilege of getting, and do not miss these workshops or events or seminars, whatever is happening in the campus. And also, I'm pretty sure that you are doing your training properly, because I'm here to take feedback from departments. I've heard good feedbacks only. I have not heard any adverse feedback of the PGT students, like missing duties and all. I think we haven't had such things yet. So do not miss that also. Make a great example. I think a college is known by their PG students. I think any college, the impressions what the other people take is from their PG students. So kindly always remember that. And I hope you all the best. And whatever we can, we'll try to do our best.